Hi, my name is Joel Mitchell. This is the first time I've done a video, and I wanted to start off by saying that I have been terribly unsuccessful in the stock market. And I wanted to be completely and upfront honest with you guys that I've lost a lot of money in the stock market. I've lost $7,714, but I'm going to try to turn it around. And the reason that these biggest losses were because I was not following any stocks. I wasn't paying attention to any of the charting or really wasn't doing any analysis whatsoever. So I'm going to change that up. So far in 2015, I've lost $1,700. Right now, I have a balance of $432. So the goal right now is to turn that money and make up for my losses. And not necessarily make up for my losses, but prove to myself that I can be successful if I'm patient enough. And I want to start off by saying that looking over at the market, we have not seen any action today, being Friday, the 28th of August. Basically, it was a really rough day. I started off the day with about $1,100. Now it went down to the 430 that you saw because I decided to play a weekly today's expiration option here, and I just lost $700 or so because I was being an idiot. And I just promised myself that I'm not going to be doing that anymore. So what I've noticed a lot with a lot of the stocks right now is, first off, is the chart for the Dow. On the weekly, we see that pin bar reversal. Pull it up here. Here it is. This pin bar reversal, very, very bullish. But I am a little weary about it, simply because if we look at the SPY, and if you pay a lot of attention to the Fibonacci levels, if I draw out the Fibonacci levels, you'll see from where we fell down to the bottom, we're right at the 61.8% mark. And that's just an indication that we're going to continue to the downside. But I could be wrong, and because of my losses, I'm sure I am. So really, I'm looking more to the upside. And I really think that we are going to go up next week, simply because if we pay attention to a lot of these other stocks, the big name stocks, I noticed that in the 30-minute chart for the short time, let me get rid of all these here. On the 30-minute chart, we'll see a bit of a cup and handle forming, and it's on every single stock that I can think of. We got this one right here, and it is continuing to uptrend. We got a trend line right here. Whoop. Got this trend line right here, so it is uptrending. We have that on Apple, and if this breaks out, it looks like, and I could be wrong again, it looks like we have from 101.91 to the breakout level, which would give us, let's see, that'll bring us to 113.86. So we have about $11 of upside if this level breaks right here, which is a huge move. And the RSI is saying that it's ready to go up. All the indicators are there for the stock to really shoot up next week. So I'm going to keep my eye on that. I'm also going to be watching Facebook, which is making the same exact formation. Again, a lot of these big name stocks are making this formation, ready for another big move up. And then we have Netflix as well, which that even started to push above its resistance level, but could not quite do it today. That's also one to watch for a really big move up. One last one that I'm watching is Google, and that one's actually struggling quite a bit in order to get over there. Still got a long way to go, but if that can break 669, we're looking for about a 49-point move from its low here. So that'll be a really big move too. So that's where I'm at so far. I'm just keeping an eye on all these stocks. It's been my first video putting out, and I'll keep you updated. Again, we're starting with $432. Remember that, $432, and we'll see where we are next Friday. and hopefully I can show you guys an amazing profit. If not, then I'm gonna have to take another break to save up, but let's hope and let's pray, and I'm gonna be patient, and hopefully I can come back with a beautiful profit and we can keep on going in this market. Thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next video.